Hey Maya, so I understand you're having some trouble logging into that laptop I gave you, so I wanted to give you a little bit of help on how to get that working again. So I got a little version of the laptop myself here, and as you can see, I'm using that password Newton, and I'm still having trouble logging in here. It's telling me that the login failed. So we're going to try and reset that. So before we go any further, make sure you write down this username here, because you're going to need that a little bit later. So make sure you remember that. Once you do that, let's just go ahead and reboot the computer. Now you need to do this at the right time. You need to press escape when you're prompted to, or a little bit after. If you wait a little bit too long, you're going to end up back at the reboot screen or the login screen. I'll show you what that looks like. And here we are back where we started. So what we're going to do instead is press go to reboot again. You also don't want to do it too soon. And I'll show you what happens when you do that. You end up in this boot screen here, which is not quite where you want to be. And this is for the Dell laptop itself, and it's not going to help you get this working. We need to go to the right place. I'll show you how to do that now. So once escape goes away, then you press escape. Sorry, once that little prompt goes away. You want to be at this prompt right here. So let's go down to advanced options, and we want to go to recovery mode. Just use the first one we see here for recovery mode. Okay, and then we're going to go to the root shell prompt. Okay, you shouldn't have a root password here, but in case you do, just use Newton. That shouldn't have changed. If it did, we got bigger problems. And now we're in the login, or the main screen here. So we're going to clean this up a little bit. We're going to type clear, clear all this other stuff. All right. And now we're going to change that password for your account so you can get in. Now remember, mine was Lubuntu, so that's what I'm going to do here now. We're going to type in password, or passwd, and we're going to type in the username we want to change. In my case, it's Lubuntu. And I'm going to go ahead and change it back to Newton again. All right, it says successful. So we're going to verify that. What we're going to do is reboot the computer. And you can do that from here by just typing reboot. And this time you can just let it go through its to the main boot screen that we were in before, or the login screen. And let's go ahead and see if Newton will work this time. And it worked. We're in. Okay, so hopefully that helped, Maya. If you have any other questions, just let your father know, or you can reach me on this YouTube channel. But either way, hope this works. You take care and let me know if you have any issues. Bye now.